So now we have this DJI Mic 3, the new one. Let's just unbox it and see what all do we get inside this. So unboxing it straight up, you get inside the box. What you're getting is the cables and stuff. So this is the whole kit, and it has some more stickers and all. And let's just open this thing and see what all do we get. So the one what I'm using right now is the DJI Mic Mini. This video is getting shot using this DJI Mic Mini. This has one single receiver and one single one which I'm using it here in the mic. But this one is like more advanced because it has a lot of extra features, and it has compatibility with mono, stereo, and a lot more templates as well for the audio, like adaptive and or noise cancellation is also much more advanced. And if you're looking to connect to more receivers, you can use this with as well. So let's just unbox this and see what all do we get inside the box. So it's a huge kit, so probably it's same like the Rode mic, wireless mic as well, where Rode mic of course you cannot use it with the DJI cameras, but this one you can use with all the DJI cameras. So this has the USB-C thing, and opening this, so I'll just remove it. So straight up what you get is this. You get the two receivers, of course, this and this. It's almost the same size as the DJI Mini 3, the one which I'm using right now. You are getting two receivers and one transmitter, this one, and the USB-C charging as well. This is the whole kit, so whenever you have the charge you can just use with this, and this is this cute small display. So this one, like if you are doing any podcast or anything with like more than two persons, this is one of the best setups, I would say. Like these two are very small, and it has the magnetic mount as well. You can use with the magnets, and you can also clip it, and just you can also put any of those wind protection like the dead cats using this, and just use it with the one camera, and that's all. You would be getting two clean audio using this. And best thing is this has inbuilt storage as well, so in case your camera fails or something, you can store with this. But the one which I'm using right now, this doesn't have inbuilt storage, so everything has to be recorded inside the camera. If the camera is not recording, then I will be not getting any audio, but for those you are absolutely getting inbuilt storage as well. That is one more thing. So yeah, so if you're looking for any wireless mic with like a clean small setup, and it's portable, small, and of course since it's DJI ecosystem, you can use it with any of the DJI cameras like 360, Nano, DJI Pocket. Like you can use with all of those ton of stuff. But if you're going for road, you can only use the cameras, you cannot use them with the DJI cameras. So highly recommended if you're looking for a clean small portable mic setup. This is the way to go, the DJI Mic 3. It's a very short video because of course this was just about the unboxing, what you get inside the box. You get the two mics, this, and I mean pretty much it. That's all. So this is the new one, the Mic Mini 3, because they had Mini 2, they had Mic 1, Mic 2, then the Mini 3, the one which I'm using right now, and this one is the Mic Mini Mic 3. This is not Mini 3, this is Mic 3 basically. So Mini is the one which I have this. The only difference is this doesn't have the inbuilt storage, and this has inbuilt storage, and you can actually use it with multiple receivers as well. So hopefully you loved it. And what else do we get inside the box? The TRS cable as well, so you can use it with directly by connecting it with this one. You can also use with the TRS and TRSS cable, USB-C, and some dead cats also is in 4 dead cats extra included, the 2 magnets which needs to be used for this. So everything, whatever you need, it's already included inside the box.